Hello everybody, welcome back to one more video from Mary. This is Hyperpix Productions. Today we have a template from Doctor Strange movie style, which I'm going to show you how you can convert your text or logo into the logo of this movie. Our designers have spent hours and put all the effort to create the most similarity to the original style of the movie. So this text effect or this template is not just limited to English or just this phone. It works on any other phone or any other language which you can imagine. So let's get started. To edit, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window which appears right here, you can just double click on any layer and change your text and type your ideal text just like this. The same with the text at the bottom, and here we go. Also, this layer is a line which you can see in the original style, which you can also remove. Go into close and click save. So as you see, our style is converted to our text. It's beautiful as you see. If you want to just change the label, you can just switch the label layer on and just double click and change the text just like this. You can also minimize the label a little, and here we go. Also, the text at the bottom right here, you can just double click and change it and type anything you want. So if you switch the background and the sparks off, also the particles, you can have the logo in a great transparent, and you can drag it into all different projects and use it. So if you want to download this template, just refer to hyperpix.net, and by joining the premium VIP section, you're going to access all different text effects from games, movies, Chrome, 80s, and so many different styles which you can't imagine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye to our next video from Mary.